Imagine what would happen if mankind met the dinosaurs today. Interested? Then let's imagine it. The majestic past invaded modern times when dinosaurs, long overshadowed by the mists of time, returned to the map of our world. The sudden appearance of these ancient creatures meant not just an encounter with certain guests from the past, but a challenge to humanity, a test of its scientific, ethical, and ecological principles. Experts around the world have sought to unravel the mystery of this phenomenon. How did dinosaurs come back to life in our era? Several hypotheses were put forward, but one of the most likely ones involved the use of advanced technologies in the field of biogenetics. Leading geneticists such as Professor Lorenz Harper argued that the dinosaurs' recreation could have been the result of an impressive genetic project.
It's something amazing,
Says Professor Harper.
We have essentially witnessed the intertwining of evolution and modern scientific advances. The dinosaur recreation is a pinnacle of genetic research that could change not only the way we think about the past, but also the shape of the future.
Beyond the phenomenal aspect of the dinosaur revival, however, the question of the purpose of this project comes to the forefront. Scientists and the public at large have suggested that dinosaur recreation may be part of a global strategy to restore the balance of nature. Dr. Ava Stewart, a renowned ecologist, explains,
Dinosaurs were part of a complex system in the past. Their return may be an attempt to recreate the evolutionary context that we have destroyed with our influence.
However, with the recreation of dinosaurs comes not only new possibilities, but also complex ethical questions. We face a dilemma. How far are we willing to go in manipulating nature for our own well-being? Bioethics professor David Simmons warns,
We stand on the edge between scientific brilliance and potential ethical catastrophes. The return of the dinosaurs is a chance that should not be taken lightly.
one of the most pressing questions on the minds of the population is, how do dinosaurs affect our daily lives? Initial fears and panic caused by the appearance of giant creatures in modern cities have gradually given way to surprise and admiration. Governments are implementing coexistence strategies to minimize potential conflicts.
We're seeing unique forms of symbiosis,
Says Jane Barnes, an ecosystem researcher.
Dinosaurs have taken their place in food chains, interacting with modern species to the exclusion of previous predators. This has become a kind of experiment of nature that we need to scrutinize carefully.
Scientific expeditions to the world's dinosaur wilderness provide unique opportunities to study their behavior in the wild. Through the use of advanced tracking technology, scientists have been able to study the migrations, feeding behavior, and interactions of different dinosaur species. Special science centers built to observe dinosaurs have become popular with tourists and researchers. People from all over the world are eager to see these amazing creatures in their natural environment. Such research not only increases our knowledge about dinosaurs, but also creates new opportunities for the development of ecotourism. However, despite all the positive aspects, there are also problems that need attention. Some species of dinosaurs can pose a danger to people and society. There have been cases where wild dinosaurs have entered populated areas, causing panic and posing a security threat. There is a need to develop and implement management strategies for dinosaur populations to minimize potential conflicts. An epical event, such as the return of the dinosaurs, has a direct impact on our way of life and culture. Art, literature, and film find new inspirations from this phenomenon. New stories are emerging that tell of human and dinosaur encounters and their attempts to understand and coexist. Technological innovations in entertainment have not been far behind. Dinosaur theme parks have become popular sources of entertainment for families. Not only do they provide a unique opportunity to see dinosaurs live, but they also serve as venues for education and conservation advocacy. However, among other things, the return of the dinosaurs means a profound change in our relationship to nature and the ecosystem. Instead of being lords of nature, humans have been relegated to the role of participants in a complex and interconnected network of living organisms. It is a test of our ability to rethink our place in the world and accept responsibility for the future of the planet. Thus, The encounter with the dinosaurs was a kind of inflection point in humanity's development. The event was a challenge to our scientific, ethical, and cultural values. The return of the dinosaurs holds the potential for both great discoveries and major challenges. But in this challenge, perhaps, lies our well-being, if we can embrace it as an opportunity to change our relationship to nature and create a new balance between modernity and antiquity.